Hi, good afternoon everyone. I'm Ryan D. Lumeda. So for today's, I'm gonna explain the Annex to Regulation 1 to 12. So first, Regulation number 1 is definition. This section is all about addresses the controlling the discharge criteria and measure the pollution caused by noxious liquid substances and carried in bulk. So next is regulation number 2, application. Regulation number 2 is all about outlines the scope and application of Annex 2, specifying which ships and substances are covered this regulation. So next is regulation 3, exemption. So this regulation is all about the list exemption to the Annex 2 requirements, which including substances with minimal environmental impact and certain types of ships. So the next is regulation 4, exemptions. So this regulation is all about the amendments to carriage requirements due to the upgrading of the categorization of substances. So the next regulation is regulation 5, equivalence. So this regulation is all about allows administration to permit alternative methods or arrangements if they provide an equivalent of protection to the marine environment. So the next regulation is regulation 6, categorization and listing of noxious liquid substances and other substances. There are 4 category substances. So first is category X. It is an noxious liquid substances are deemed to present a major hazard to either marine resources or human health, and prohibition at the discharge to marine environment. So the next is category Y. It is an noxious liquid substances are deemed to present a major hazard to marine resources or human health and justified to limitation of the discharging to marine environment. So the next is category Z. It is a noxious liquid substances that are deemed to present a minor hazard to marine resources or human health and endless restriction of the discharge to marine environment. And lastly is OS or other substances are deemed to present no harm to marine resources. So the next regulation is regulation 7, survey and certification of chemical tankers. So this regulation is all about chemical tankers which have been surveyed and certified by state parties to the present of convention in accordance with the provision of International Bulk Chemical Code or IBC code. So the next regulation is regulation 8, surveys. The ships carrying noxious liquid substances in bulk should be subject to the survey. So the first survey is initial survey. This survey is all about is to ensure that the structure, system, equipment is fully comply with the applicable requirements of the Annex 2. So the next survey is renewal survey at intervals specified by the administration but not exceeding 5 years. This survey is to ensure the structure and system equipment is fully comply. So the next is intermediate survey. This survey, it is within 3 months or after. This survey is to ensure that the equipment and associated pump and piping system is fully comply with the applicable requirements of the Annex. And the next survey is annual survey. This survey is within 3 months or after anniversary date. Must be general inspection to equipment structure system to ensure fully comply with the applicable requirements of the Annex 2. So the last survey is additional survey. This survey is to ensure that the necessary repairs or renewal have been effectively made, all fully repairs. So the next regulation is Regulation 9, issue or endorsement of certificate. An international pollution prevention certificate for the carriage of noxious liquid substances in bulk should be issued after an initial or renewal survey, which such certificate should be issued or endorsed by administration or organization to assume responsibility for the certificate. So the next regulation is Regulation 10, duration and validity of certificate. An international pollution prevention certificate for the carriage of noxious liquid substances in bulk shall be issued for a period of years specified by the administration which not exceed in 5 years. So the next regulation is Regulation 12. The design, construction, equipment, and operation of ships certified to carry noxious liquid substances in bulk identified in Chapter 17 of the International Bulk Chemical Code shall be in compliance with the following provision to minimize the uncontrolled discharge into the sea. And last of the regulation is Regulation 12, the pumping, piping, unloading arrangement, and slop tanks. So this section of regulation is every ship constructed on or after shall be provided with piping and piping arrangement to ensure that each tank certified for the carriage of noxious liquid substances. So slop tanks may be needed for the certain washing procedures.